How to add a payment method on Taobao. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a payment method in the Taobao app on your phone. So to get started, once you open the Taobao app, as you can see here, you'd want to click on the bottom right corner that's account. And once you're there, you go to the top right corner and this little button here for settings. And under account and security, look for payment settings. You click that. And once you're here, you can see the second option here, which is payment method. Click view and wait for it to load. And as you can see here, there's already an option that says add credit or debit card. You'd want to add now. Click on that. And here you can fill out your card number, name on your card, the expiration date, and the CVV 3-digit number that's on the back of your card. And once you're done with that, click on buy now. And it should appear on the payment method page at the back here. So that is how you add a payment method on Taobao.